We were fire in the pouring rain, dancing through the joy and pain. Every promise felt so real, like forever we could steal. You were home in every sense, every touch, every defense. I built my world around your name, never thought you'd walk away. Now the silence screams so loud in an empty, broken crowd. When you left, I stayed, holding on to yesterday. Every word we couldn't save echoes in the love we gave. When you walked away, I was begging you to stay. Now I'm lost inside the pain. When you left, I stayed. Your sweater's still here on my chair, like you're somehow still right there. I replay our last goodbye, every tear I didn't cry. You said time would make it heal, but time just shows me what was real. Every second pulls me back to the love I couldn't crack. And I wonder if you feel even half of what I feel. When you left, I stayed, holding on to yesterday. Every word we couldn't say echoes in the love we gave. When you walked away, I was begging you to stay. Now I'm lost inside the pain. When you left, I stayed. Maybe I loved you too much, maybe I held on too tight, maybe I gave you my all while you were letting go inside. If I could turn back the time, would you still be mine tonight? Or was I loving alone while you were saying goodbye? I stayed. I stayed. I still set a place for you, like you said you'd make it through. But the door don't open now, just the wind that whispers loud. I tried to learn to let you go, but my heart don't seem to know how to live without your light, how to sleep alone at night. When you left, I stayed, breaking slowly day by day. Every memory won't fade, every promise that we made. When you walked away, you took all of me that day. Now I'm just a heart in chains. When you left, I stayed. So if you ever come back home, you'll find me right where you left me, still loving you alone.